Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished you could make a change, but the thought of crazy diets and grueling workouts just made you want to crawl back into bed? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with losing weight, and it's no wonder. We're bombarded with conflicting information, fad diets, and unrealistic expectations. Losing weight doesn't have to be a constant uphill battle. You can achieve your goals without sacrificing your sanity or your social life. That's what we're talking about today. In this video, I'm going to break down the science behind weight loss and give you actionable tips you can start using today. We'll cover everything from diet hacks to easy workouts, all designed to help you shed those extra pounds and feel your absolute best. Let's get started. Let's face it, the word diet often evokes images of bland salads and flavorless restrictions. It's no wonder so many people dread the idea of starting a diet. Healthy eating doesn't have to be a drag. In fact, it can be quite enjoyable and satisfying if you know how to make the right choices. By incorporating a variety of delicious and nutritious foods, you can transform your diet into something you look forward to every day. One of the most powerful things you can do is ditch the processed foods and embrace whole, unprocessed foods. These foods are closer to their natural state and are packed with nutrients. Think about it: fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These are the foods that our bodies are naturally designed to thrive on. They provide the essential building blocks for good health. They're packed with essential nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that keep you feeling full and energized. These components are crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism and supporting overall well-being. Think of your body like a high-performance sports car. Just as a luxury car requires premium fuel to run efficiently, your body needs high-quality nutrients to function at its best. Would you fill it up with low-quality fuel that's full of additives and impurities? Of course not. Doing so would compromise its performance and longevity. You'd give it the premium stuff, the fuel that's specifically designed to optimize its performance. The same goes for your body. It deserves the best. When you fuel it with nutrient-dense whole foods, you're giving it the best possible chance to function at its peak, including burning fat efficiently. This means more energy, better mood, and improved overall health. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I'm always on the go. How can I possibly find the time to eat healthy? It's hard to eat healthy when I'm juggling work, family, and everything in between. The demands of modern life can make it challenging to prioritize nutrition. Life gets busy, and it's not always easy to whip up a gourmet meal from scratch, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your health. That's why I love finding simple, practical hacks that make healthy eating more convenient. These tips can help you stay on track even when life gets hectic. One of my favorites is meal prepping. By dedicating a few hours each week to prepare your meals, you can save time and reduce stress during busy weekdays. Take a couple of hours on the weekend to plan and prepare your meals for the week. This way you'll have healthy options ready to go, making it easier to stick to your diet. That way, when you're short on time, you have a healthy homemade meal ready to go. No more last-minute fast food runs or unhealthy takeout. Another game changer is focusing on portion control. By being mindful of how much you're eating, you can avoid overeating and better manage your weight. It's easy to overeat, especially when we're faced with large portions. Restaurants and packaged foods often serve more than we need. A simple trick is to use smaller plates and bowls. This can help you control your portions without feeling deprived. This can actually trick your brain into feeling more satisfied with less food. It's a clever way to manage your intake without feeling like you're missing out. And speaking of feeling satisfied, let's talk about the importance of protein and fiber. These nutrients are essential for keeping you full and supporting your weight loss goals. These two nutrients are your secret weapons when it comes to weight loss. They help regulate your appetite and keep you feeling satisfied longer. Protein helps you build and maintain lean muscle mass, which burns more calories at rest. This means you can boost your metabolism and burn more fat, even when you're not working out. Fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your diet, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer. It also supports healthy digestion and can help prevent overeating. Think about adding a scoop of protein powder to your smoothies or snacking on nuts and seeds throughout the day. These small changes can make a big difference in your overall nutrition. And don't forget about those fiber-rich fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. They're essential for a balanced diet and can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. They're not only good for your waistline, but they're also loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your overall health. These nutrients are vital for maintaining energy levels and preventing illness. Now I want to address the elephant in the room: cravings. We all have them, and they can be a major roadblock on your weight loss journey, but there are ways to manage them effectively. But instead of depriving yourself and setting yourself up for failure, try finding healthier alternatives to your favorite treats. This way you can satisfy your cravings without compromising your diet. Love ice cream? Blend up a frozen banana with some cocoa powder for a delicious and guilt-free nice cream. It's a simple and tasty way to enjoy a sweet treat without the added sugar and calories. Craving something crunchy? Reach for a handful of air-popped popcorn instead of potato chips. Popcorn is a whole grain and can be a satisfying low-calorie snack. The key is to find swaps that satisfy your cravings without derailing your progress. By making these small changes, you can enjoy your favorite foods in a healthier way. Remember, sustainable weight loss isn't about perfection. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. These changes should be realistic and manageable for your lifestyle. So don't beat yourself up if you slip up every now and then. It's normal to have setbacks, but what's important is how you respond to them. Just get back on track and keep moving forward. Each day is a new opportunity to make better choices and improve your health. These diet hacks are designed to empower you to take control of your health and achieve your weight loss goals. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can create lasting, positive changes. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about nourishing your body with the foods it needs to thrive. Embrace these hacks and watch as you transform your diet and your life for the better. Now let's talk about exercise. I know, for some of you, the word exercise might as well be a four-letter word. It can feel daunting, overwhelming, and even a bit intimidating. But here's the thing, you don't need a fancy gym membership or hours of free time to get in shape. You can achieve great results with just a little creativity and commitment. In fact, some of the most effective workouts can be done right at home with little to no equipment. You can use everyday items around your house to enhance your workouts. One of my favorite things to recommend is bodyweight training. It's versatile, efficient, and can be tailored to any fitness level. It's incredibly effective, and you can do it anywhere. Whether you're at home, in a park, or even traveling, bodyweight exercises are always an option. Think about it: squats, lunges, push-ups, planks. These exercises use your own body weight as resistance, helping you build strength, increase your metabolism, and burn calories. They engage multiple muscle groups, making them highly efficient. And the best part? You can modify these exercises to fit your fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or more advanced, there's always a way to make the exercise work for you. Just starting out? No problem. Start with modified versions and gradually work your way up to the full movements. This way you can build your strength and confidence over time. The key is to challenge yourself while maintaining good form. Proper form ensures you're working the right muscles and helps prevent injuries. Another great option is walking. It's simple yet highly effective. It's low impact, it's accessible to almost everyone, and it's a fantastic way to increase your daily activity levels. Plus, it's a great way to clear your mind and enjoy some fresh air. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. This can significantly improve your cardiovascular health and overall well-being. You can even break it up into shorter intervals throughout the day if that's easier for you. Every bit of movement counts and contributes to your fitness goals. And here's a pro tip. Turn your walks into mini workouts by adding in some hills or intervals of faster walking. This adds variety and keeps your routine interesting. This will not only boost your calorie burn, but also improve your cardiovascular fitness. It's a simple way to make your walks more challenging and effective. Now, if you're looking for a fun and engaging way to get your heart rate up, I highly recommend dancing. It's a joyful and energetic form of exercise. Put on your favorite music and let loose. Dance like no one's watching and enjoy the freedom of movement. Dancing is a fantastic full-body workout that improves your coordination, balance, and mood. It's a great way to express yourself and stay fit at the same time. Plus, it's a great way to relieve stress and have some fun while you're at it. The endorphins released during dancing can boost your mood and energy levels. Another often overlooked form of exercise is simply incorporating more movement into your daily routine. Small changes can make a big difference. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, park farther away from the store, or do some stretches while you're watching TV. These little actions add up over time. These small changes might seem insignificant on their own, but they can add up to a significant difference in your overall activity levels. Every step counts towards a healthier you. And here's the thing, exercise doesn't have to be a chore. It can be something you look forward to. Find activities you genuinely enjoy and you'll be more likely to stick with them. When you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't feel like work. Whether it's hiking, swimming, biking, or playing a sport, make movement a part of your lifestyle and you'll reap the benefits for years to come. The key is to stay active and have fun. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Regular activity is what leads to long-term results. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. This can be broken down into manageable sessions. And don't be afraid to challenge yourself and try new things. Exploring different types of exercise can keep your routine exciting and help you discover new passions. Now, I know what you're thinking, all of this sounds great, but do these tips actually work in the real world? Can real people actually achieve these results? And the answer is a resounding yes. And today, I want to share an inspiring story with you. This story is about perseverance, dedication, and the power of making sustainable changes. Meet Sarah. Sarah was struggling with her weight for years. She felt like she was constantly battling her own body. She had tried countless diets and exercise programs, but nothing seemed to stick. Every time she thought she found the solution, it would slip away. She felt frustrated, defeated, and like she was stuck in a never-ending cycle of weight loss and weight gain. It was a roller coaster of emotions. But then Sarah decided to take a different approach. She knew she needed a change, but this time it had to be different. She realized that she needed to make sustainable lifestyle changes, not just quick fixes. She started to educate herself on nutrition and healthy habits. She started by incorporating the diet hacks we talked about earlier, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods and prioritizing protein and fiber. She made sure her meals were balanced and nutritious. She also started incorporating simple workouts into her routine, like walking and bodyweight training. These were activities she could do anywhere, anytime. She found that she enjoyed these activities and they didn't feel like a chore. They became a part of her daily life, something she looked forward to, and you know what? The results spoke for themselves. Her hard work and dedication started to pay off. Over the course of a year, Sarah lost 20 pounds and she's kept it off ever since. Her transformation was not just physical, but also mental and emotional. But more importantly, she feels amazing. Her energy levels soared, and she found a new zest for life. She has more energy, her clothes fit better, and she's finally confident in her own skin. She feels like a new person. Sarah's story is a testament to the fact that these tips work. Her journey shows that with the right mindset and approach, anything is possible, but it's not just about the number on the scale. It's about the overall improvement in quality of life. It's about feeling your best, both physically and mentally. It's about enjoying life to the fullest. It's about having the energy to keep up with your kids, the confidence to rock that outfit you've had your eye on, and the knowledge that you're taking care of your health. It's about living your best life. And Sarah's not alone. There are many others who have achieved similar success. So if you're feeling stuck or discouraged on your weight loss journey, remember Sarah's story. Let it be a source of motivation and hope. Remember that real lasting change is possible, one step at a time. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. Don't get caught up in the latest fad diets or extreme workout programs. They often lead to disappointment and burnout. Focus on making small, sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. Consistency is key. Remember, you are capable of achieving amazing things. Your potential is limitless. Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and never give up on your goals. You've got this. Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts now. So there you have, weight loss doesn't have to be a mystery. By incorporating these science-backed tips into your life, you can achieve real, sustainable results. Remember, it's not about quick fixes or deprivation. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. Start by implementing one or two of the tips we discussed today and gradually incorporate more as you go. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. Connect with a friend, family member, or online community for support and accountability. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more evidence-based health and wellness tips. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Now go out there and crush your goals.